I'm Louis James Montalban from BSBA TOSI. Here are my understanding and reflection. Reading in the Philippine History by John Lee P. Candelaria and Veronica C. Alcora. Reading in Philippine history reshaped the way I understand the past, not as a fixed set of dates and events, but as a dynamic narrative built from evidence, perspective, and interpretation. What struck me most is how the book emphasized that history is not simply what happened, but how. We know what happened. This approach forced me to think more critically about the source we rely on, the voice we often want to hear. One major realization I gained that primary sources are powerful but not neutral. The authors constantly remind readers that every document particularly motivates, beliefs, and limitations. This made me more conscious of bias, especially in colonial documents, where Spanish, America, or Japanese perspective often dominates. It encouraged me to look deeper, to question who is telling the story and who is being left out instead of memorizing historical facts. I found myself evaluating evidence like a historian. Another insight is that history becomes richer when multiple viewpoints are considered. The book highlights marginalized experience, women, peasants, indigenous groups, and ordinary people whose stories are often overshadowed by the great men like heroes or politicians. Realizing this helped me appreciate the diversity of the Filipino past and made me more aware of whose experience continue to be ignored in today's society. The chapter on continuous issues such as colonization and nationalism, revolution, and martial law were particularly eye-opening. They make me see how historical narrative can be used to shape public opinion and justify political agendas. In a time when misinformation and historical distortion are whispered of, critical reading skills taught in this book feel more necessary than ever. It reminds us that understanding history is not just an academic exercise, it is a civic responsibility. That overall, reading in Philippine history taught me to approach that past with humility and curiosity. It made me realize that to truly understand history, I must not simply accept the story but investigate them. The book strengthened my appreciation of how complex the Philippines experience is and encouraged me to be a more thoughtful reader, student, and citizen. Its lessons extend beyond the classroom, challenging me to question narratives, seek evidence, and stay critical in a world overflow with information. And that's all, everyone. Thank you.